Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can see how many likes you got already from the Beaver Cup build challenge in Heartopia. So go to your island terminal here, and as you can see, my team has already got 17 likes. It's not a lot, but it's alright. You can also like your own building here, as you can see, and press confirm. You're just going to want to use most of the emotes they have. Also, if you do want to like my build, you can copy and paste my user ID. I am on the C server, so unfortunately I cannot visit if you are not in the C server, maybe with another account, I'm not sure. But I can only visit you through if you are in the C server. So drop your account ID and I will like yours as well. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!